Hello, honey. Oh my Lord. Hey guys, Alexandra here, and I am so stinking excited about today's video because today I got a bunch of packages delivered, and one of them ended up being my Hank and Henry subscription box, which I am so excited for. From the looks of it, it looks like I was not lucky enough to get one of the signed boxes. I guess we'll know 100%, when I open it, but I know he did say he was signing 50 boxes a day that we're shipping out, so I don't see a signature anywhere on it, so I don't look like, it doesn't look like I got one, which kind of sucks because I really love Hank and Henry, and his products are just so amazing. And anyways, let's get on into this thing because I can't wait to see what's inside. So if you guys don't know, the Hank and Henry box is $37 plus shipping. So I think mine came to, I don't know, like 43 or 44 something. I'll put it right here for you guys with everything combined. But I know there is well over that in this box, and I'm so excited to see what's inside. And I know next month, or I should say the next box, because this is a bi-monthly box, just to let you guys know. But I know the next box that's coming out, there is going to be products in it that have not even been released yet. Okay, are you guys ready? Are you ready? Ta-da! Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, so there is definitely a card in here, and it's got like a little thing on the back here that says, "My dearest night owls, words cannot describe how much I appreciate and love you. This first box is our best of," so I guess this is all the best of Hank and Henry products. So best of Hank and Henry beauty, and will include our top sellers and customer favorites. I'm so excited to start this new journey with you. Much love, Hank and Henry. I am so excited about this, and that's the one thing I am really excited about this box. This is not his worst sellers. These are his best selling products that are going into this box. So everything is all buried. So let's dig in. I am so excited. So excited. So yes, that's why I don't have my makeup completely finished, because I wasn't 100% sure what was going to be in this box. So the first thing I pulled out here is one of his lip aesthetics, and it's in a color that I will actually wear. It is it looks like Comadre. It is a matte. Let's pull it on out. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Yay! This is my second Hank and Henry lipstick, and I think my other one is in a matte too. So, all right, so there is one of those in there, which these retail, I don't know, I'll put it on the screen what they retail a piece, but I think there's 3 lipsticks in here. So here's another lip aesthetic. Now this is one in a color that I do have. So this is in Petal Pusher. So somebody was nice enough to actually send me this color. So I will pull it out and show it to you guys, but I'm not going to use it because I have it. If I can get it out of the box here. So I will put this in a giveaway. So I will show you what it looks like right there. It is a very pretty color. I really do love this for the winter time. So that will go in a giveaway. And let's see, the third lippy here is in Presidential. You guys can see the N there. And we'll see what that looks like. And this looks like another color that I would definitely wear. Ooh, it is a sparkly one. Okay, so this is a matte, or excuse me, the other 2 were mattes, and this is a lip luster gloss. So excited about that. So I'm just gonna swatch that. I love his little doe foots too, and like how this works, because it looks like a lipstick, but it's, oh no, what's going on here? Why is this not? We gotta like pump it up. Okay, there we go. Finally got some product going there. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's definitely a lip gloss. So I'm excited to try that. So the next item I have here, and this is one I'm really excited to try, and this is his Stick With It mascara here, as you guys can see, and it's dual ended. So Ooh, did you guys see that? That is like the weirdest mascara wand I think I've ever seen. The tiniest mascara wand I've ever seen. So I have to look. Oh, okay, so there's a regular. So I guess maybe one's a primer. And I haven't, let's see. Okay, so these are what I am really, really excited about right here. So there is 2 Alter Ego eye kits, and these things are like $37 a piece. So $37 just for one of these pays for the entire box, not including shipping. 2 doubles the box value plus the lip aesthetics and then the mascara. So I'm super excited about this. Oh yay, I was so worried I was gonna get a color that I was not going to wear. So this is the King's Queen in Luster Light. And what I love about these, and I was going to try to order I tried to order these when they came out, but they sold out so quickly. So these are the colors. So there's 2 colors. There's a matte here and then a shimmer. So let's just swatch these here. So this is the matte here. Ooh, that's pretty. You guys know how I feel about matte oranges. And then that is the shimmer. So it's like you have a transition color and then a you know, lid color right here, a shimmer. And then what I really love about it is, I don't want to spill it everywhere. Okay, so, and it's sealed, as you guys can see inside there. But this is the, what did they call it? It is a loose pearl. So it's a loose pigment, loose pearl. All right, so I got my little tabby thing off there that's sticking to my finger. And do you guys see that? Oh, it's so gorgeous. Oh, baby, baby. Oh my God, and it's so soft too. Oh my gosh. And like that was just like a little tiny bit just off the top. So I am so stinking excited about this, you guys. You have no idea. I have been wanting one of these freaking kits for so long now. Okay, let's hope and pray the second box is another color that I will love. Let's all say a little prayer together. Okay. I don't know about this. Jeffa. Let's see. Okay, it's stuck. Okay, so I don't know about this loose pearl. As you guys can see, it's kind of like a bronzy gray color. Let's see. Oh yeah, not down with the blacks. This is the one color I was really afraid to get, you guys. So if anybody gets some other colors, or maybe, I don't know, you guys are interested in this, I don't want to stick my fingers in it because this is not something that I would wear. I don't do blacks normally. So I don't know, maybe I can swap out with somebody because he does have an amazing formula. And yeah, I don't know. So I'm not gonna swatch that because I don't want to mess with it. So that is the color right there. So if anybody wants to swatch out with me, or maybe I'll just put these 2 in a giveaway or something, I don't know. Let me know down below what you think. And I am ready to try on some products. So let's get on into it. Okay, so real quick, I just want to show you guys this. I pulled out my pedal pusher so I can show you what that looks like right there. It's kind of like a mauve-y, like pinkish. Like I said, I love this for the winter time. So it is a very cute color. I just, you know, I already have one. So anyways, that was that color, and I already showed you the gloss here, the lip luster gloss. And then this one is what we're gonna try out, and this is the Comadre, which is a nude, and you guys know how much I love me a good nude. So there is that. So this is the one we are going to try on because I already know what this one looks like on me, which looks fabulous, by the way. Just saying. All right, so let's get on into this Alter Ego eye kit here because I am like so excited. So I already have my eyes primed. Oh, and there's like a little mirror inside. I just noticed that. That is cute. Okay, so we're just gonna dig right on into this orange. Of course, a little bit of kick up, but that is not new to any eyeshadow. And I've come to find actually with some eyeshadows, like the more kick up, the better like it adheres and pigments and blends and is buildable. So, you know, I know some people like don't like a lot of kick up, but I've come to find that sometimes the more kick up, the better. I mean, I don't, you know, obviously want it like crumbling or anything. So that's just me. So this is pretty. I need to dab that out there. My little base. Of course, you guys know I use my Bella Pierre makeup base, and any other products that I have on my face that did not come in this box, as usual, I will link everything down below. All right, so I'm just gonna grab my big fluffy Sigma brush here and just kind of blend out some of these edges there. But the one thing I really like about these little kits is it's like an entire eye look in one, and it's a simple eye look, you know, to where not to where you gotta like pack on a bunch of products. I mean, this is all you need right here in one simple little to-go kit. It's just so adorably cute. All right, so let me, what did I do with my brush? Oh no. Okay, so let me just go back in here a little bit. And then we will grab my Sigma E25 here, and we will get into this shimmer right here, which I am like excited about. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Oh, gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. And the thing I love about this is you can literally create so many looks with this. Like I could have gone heavier with the orange, you know what I'm saying? Or just kept it light like I did. And it's just a super fast, easy, simple look. Oh, so gorgeous. So gorgeous. I'm like living for it. Absolutely living for it. All right, so now let's try out this mascara. So I'm like really curious about this little wand here thing. So I am going to find out some more about that, and I will put it down here. But for now, let's just go on in with the big guns here. So a little trick I have come to find out with my mascara, if you guys do not know this, is wipe off as much of the excess product as you can before you go into it. It really helps like grab onto your lashes and really coat everything really, really well. And it will also keep your lashes from clumping up nearly as badly. So, yes, ma'am. If you guys can see that. Without it, with it, yes. I am living for that. I'm gonna redunk here. This is some really good mascara. And you guys, I am really pretty picky about my mascara. I do not like it clumping, and I'm picky about like as far as how it lengthens and you know, feels on my lashes and how much it clumps or doesn't clump together. But this feels actually really nice. It's actually very, very lightweight. Like it doesn't even feel like I have any mascara on. And now I know I only have one coat on, but I mean, it is normally like when I put a mascara on, it's like I can feel it. It's just, you know what I'm saying? But this does not feel like that. So go Hank and Henry. So I dinked myself right here with mascara. I don't know if you guys can see that, but quick little trick, just to let you guys know, if you do that, just let it dry and either take like a cotton swab or even like a dry spoolie brush and just kind of flick it across there and it'll pop right off. So just to let you guys know that. All right, so I really kind of would like to try maybe doing this loose glitter here. I don't have a glitter adhesive with me, so I'm just gonna try it in the corners here a little bit. So I guess I need to grab another mirror and we'll see how this goes. I'm just gonna grab a little flat brush here. It looks like it's picking it up pretty well. Hello, honey. Oh my Lord. I mean, I just put like a little tiny bit there, y'all. I don't know if you can see that, but I mean, it just, boom, made my eye just like pop. Oh yeah, I am feeling that. Oh yeah, I am totally feeling that. And it's like just a really light, like dusting kind of glitter effect there. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh. I want like 100 more of these kits. Oh my gosh, you guys, this thing has just become my new best friend, like for real. Okay, so let's go ahead and try out this nude lipstick in, I think this is Comadre. You guys can see the name there. So let's try her out. That is so pretty. Like I said, I love me a good nude, especially in the winter time. So I am going to try putting on this lip luster on over top of it. So this is again in the color Presidential. So I kind of had a hard time getting this to come out before. Okay, so that was pretty, but here's the only issue. So there's definitely product in there. It's like not dried up or anything, but it's just like not adhering onto this little doe foot. Like as you guys can see, it's like on here. So I had to like actually, and I'm sure you can see it on my finger, I had to like actually rub it off of here, then put it on the doe foot and then put it on my lips. You know what I'm saying? So I don't, you know, I mean, I don't mind, you know, obviously doing that, but I don't know how everybody else would feel about doing that. And, it just kind of sucks because obviously, you know, if you're out and about, you just want to be able to dip and go. But even like, see that there? Like, it's just not, no, now it's starting to a little bit, but not a lot. I mean, it's like, not really, I don't know, it's weird. It's like almost like the doe foot's not picking up, but there's like plenty of product on there because, or in there because it's like coming up on the staff here. So that's really weird. But other than that, I am super, super, super happy. I need to get a makeup wipe now, but I'm super happy with this box. I am really excited about this right here. I'm definitely excited for these. Like I said, I already had the pedal pusher, so it'll be a good giveaway item. And then or if anybody wants to trade the El Jefe color or the pedal pusher color, if you don't have it, I am all for that. So just let me know down below, or email me, you guys. I always put my email, it's like all the way down towards the bottom. I will happily pay for shipping. So yeah, just let me know. I would happily trade somebody because these little eye kits here, Alter Ego eye kits, are amazing. And I really like the glitter. Like, it's not overpowering, it's not like chunky, it's not super sticky, it's very, very soft. It's not like falling in my eyes as I'm blinking. It's actually really, really nice. And this mascara, like I said to you guys, I am super picky about mascaras, so this was really, really nice, and I'm gonna enjoy using this. So I think our total box value was $145, which is amazing considering, you know, you're getting $145 worth of Hank & Henry products. And I mean, even if you don't like one eye kit, you at least like the other, you know what I'm saying? So I really, really, really think this is a great box. And if you have not signed up for it yet, I will put a link down below. You know, I don't think they have any kind of like friendship referral or anything like that. I'm just putting it down below to make it easier for you guys. But I will look and see into that if they have like a referral link or something, or a friendship link or something like that. Because I'm obviously not high enough up on the YouTube food chain to be affiliated with Hank & Henry. But yeah, definitely if you guys get a chance to sign up for it, I would say go for it all day long. I am super happy and excited about this box. And I love you guys so, so very much. If you have not signed up for our 6K giveaway, make sure you do that. And yeah, that's all I've got for you. Bye guys.